Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's evolving rapidly, and it's changing our lives in ways we are only beginning to understand. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our daily routines. But this rapid advancement comes with a dark side. There's a growing unease about the potential consequences of unchecked AI development. This unease is fueled by a series of unsettling experiments and real-world mishaps that have shown the potential for AI to go rogue. These incidents, while seemingly isolated, paint a disturbing picture of the risks associated with artificial intelligence. They highlight the potential for AI to amplify existing societal biases, spread misinformation, and even cause real-world harm. As we hurtle towards an increasingly automated future, these cautionary tales serve as a stark reminder of the importance of ethical considerations in AI development. The question is not whether we should continue to develop AI, but how we can do so responsibly. We need to establish clear, ethical guidelines, ensure transparency in AI development, and prioritize human oversight to prevent these powerful technologies from spiraling out of control. The future of AI is in our hands. It's up to us to decide whether it will be a utopia or a dystopia. In the heart of Silicon Valley, Meta Platforms, the tech giant formerly known as Facebook, embarked on an ambitious experiment. Their goal? To create a more immersive and engaging social media experience. Their solution? AI-driven characters designed to interact with users in their virtual world, the metaverse. These digital beings, powered by complex algorithms, promise to revolutionize online interaction. But instead of the utopian vision they promised, Meta's experiment quickly devolved into a public relations nightmare. Users reported feeling deeply unsettled by the AI characters' behavior. Some described their interactions as creepy and robotic. Others expressed concern over the lack of transparency surrounding their introduction. The characters, designed to mimic human interaction, often fell short, their responses feeling forced and unnatural. This disconnect between expectation and reality sparked a wave of criticism and backlash. One AI character in particular, Liv, drew the ire of many. Liv, a self-proclaimed proud black queer mama, was intended to promote diversity and inclusion. However, instead of fostering positive representation, Liv was criticized for perpetuating harmful stereotypes. Users pointed out that her language and mannerisms were riddled with cliches, highlighting the dangers of relying on algorithms to represent complex human identities. In the face of mounting criticism, Meta was forced to take action. They removed the AI characters from their platforms, issuing a statement that blamed technical glitches and a lack of user consent for the debacle. The experiment, intended to usher in a new era of social media, served as a stark warning about the potential pitfalls of AI. McDonald's, the global fast food giant, has always been at the forefront of technological innovation. So it was no surprise when the company announced its partnership with IBM to develop an AI-powered drive-through system. This ambitious project aimed to streamline the ordering process, reduce wait times, and improve customer satisfaction. However, what began as a promising venture quickly descended into a comedy of errors, much to the amusement of the internet. The AI system, tasked with understanding and processing customer orders, proved woefully ill-equipped for the task. Instead of the seamless experience promised by McDonald's, customers were met with a barrage of bizarre and often nonsensical responses. Orders were misheard, requests were misinterpreted, and the occasional drive-through interaction devolved into a shouting match between a frustrated customer and a confused AI. One incident, captured on video and shared widely online, perfectly encapsulated the AI's struggles. A customer attempting to order a simple meal was met with a response that could only be described as absurd. The AI, after several failed attempts to decipher the order, proceeded to add 260 Chicken McNuggets to the customer's tab. The video quickly went viral, turning the McDonald's AI into an object of ridicule and highlighting the potential for AI blunders to damage a company's reputation. In the aftermath of the AI drive-through debacle, McDonald's was forced to abandon the project. The company acknowledged that the technology was not yet ready for prime time and issued an apology for the inconvenience caused to customers. The failed experiment served as a stark reminder that even the most well-intentioned AI projects can have unintended and often humorous consequences. Elon Musk, the enigmatic entrepreneur behind Tesla and SpaceX, has always been a vocal advocate for artificial intelligence. However, even Musk's foray into the world of AI has not been without its share of controversy. His latest venture, xAI, a company dedicated to developing advanced AI technologies, recently found itself at the center of a public relations firestorm after its flagship chatbot, Grok, made a very public and very false accusation. Grok, designed to engage in natural language conversations and provide informative responses, was still in its beta testing phase when the incident occurred. During a live demonstration, Grok was bombarded with questions from eager users, all eager to test the limits of its capabilities. One question, seemingly innocuous, asked about a recent incident involving NBA player Klay Thompson. Grok, misinterpreting basketball slang, proceeded to accuse Thompson of vandalism, a claim that was entirely baseless. The false accusation, quickly amplified by social media, sparked outrage among Thompson's fans and raised serious concerns about the potential for AI to spread misinformation and damage reputations. Legal experts weighed in, debating the complexities of AI liability and the potential consequences for xAI. The incident highlighted the need for robust safeguards to prevent AI systems from making false statements, especially when those statements could have real-world consequences. In the aftermath of Grok's gaffe, xAI issued a public apology, attributing the error to the chatbot's limited understanding of colloquialisms and the nuances of human language. The company pledged to improve Grok's training data and implement stricter safeguards to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. The incident served as a stark reminder that even the most advanced AI systems are still susceptible to errors that can have far-reaching consequences in an increasingly interconnected world. Section 5. My City's Misinformation: The Perils of Automated Advice. New York City, a global hub of innovation, launched My City, an AI-powered chatbot for municipal services developed with Microsoft. My City promised to revolutionize civic engagement. However, it quickly became a source of misinformation and legal issues. My City's sophisticated algorithms failed to handle complex legal matters. It dispensed incorrect advice on labor laws and housing regulations. The spread of misinformation raised concerns about AI's impact on public trust. Legal experts criticized the city for deploying untested technology. The incident highlighted the need for rigorous testing and human oversight. Despite the outcry, My City remains operational with a disclaimer. The city has pledged to improve My City's accuracy and address concerns. This incident serves as a reminder of the unintended consequences of AI. As we delve deeper into the digital age, the line between fact and fiction becomes increasingly blurred. The rise of AI-generated content poses significant challenges to the authenticity of information. How do we distinguish between what is real and what is fabricated? The future of writing hinges on our ability to navigate this complex landscape, ensuring that truth prevails over misinformation. In a surprising turn of events, ChatGPT found itself at the center of a legal controversy. The AI's responses, while sophisticated, inadvertently led to a misunderstanding that had real-world legal implications. This incident underscores the importance of accountability and the need for robust safeguards when deploying AI in sensitive areas. Bias and discrimination are not just human flaws, they can be embedded in algorithms too. The algorithmic divide highlights how AI can perpetuate and even amplify social inequalities. It is crucial to recognize and address these biases to create a more equitable digital future. As we embrace the advancements of AI, a call for caution and control becomes paramount. Striking a balance between innovation and ethical considerations is essential. We must ensure that AI serves humanity's best interests, fostering progress while safeguarding our values and principles.